Hello, welcome back to JaiInfoway. Today, we are diving deep into a technical analysis of the challenges in deploying AI agents based on current industry research. First, we examine data quality. Research indicates that 30% of projects fail due to poor data management, with incomplete datasets affecting 42% of enterprise initiatives. Legacy integration remains a major hurdle. Gartner reports 60% of enterprise struggles stem from interfacing autonomous agents with systems built before 2010. While production agents require latency under 200 milliseconds, legacy tech often exceeds this, creating a significant performance gap in autonomous workflows. Scalability is equally demanding. Deploying agents at scale can surge infrastructure costs fivefold, requiring intense GPU resources, 10 to 50 times higher than traditional machine learning. From a security standpoint, the risk is real. Prompt injection vulnerabilities are exploited in 20% of tested agents, making robust compliance frameworks non-negotiable. Ethics and bias mitigation are critical. Stanford studies show that without intervention, agents can amplify hiring biases by up to 30%, requiring rigorous fairness audits. The industry also faces a massive talent gap. The World Economic Forum predicts a shortage of 97 million AI-related roles by 2025. Reliability monitoring is essential. Research shows model drift impacts 80% of deployed agents within their first year, demanding constant observability. Finally, we address high costs. With initial deployments costing up to $5 million, achieving a positive ROI within 24 months is a significant technical milestone. Deploying production-grade AI agents is not just about the model, it is about the entire technical ecosystem, from data governance to ethical guardrails. Frameworks like LangChain and CrewAI are evolving quickly, but custom platforms like JAI are now achieving 40% cost reductions through infrastructure optimization. The technical core involves sophisticated React prompting cycles, tool calling capabilities, and complex memory management systems. As we move toward 2025, the focus shifts from prototypes to resilient, scalable, and secure production systems. Mastering these challenges is the key to unlocking the true potential of autonomous intelligence in the modern enterprise. The journey from prototype to production is rigorous, but the impact on efficiency and innovation is unprecedented. At JaiInfoway, we are at the forefront